already struggling with your Google storage right now? Take a deep breath, because things are about to get worse. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. Google will start calculating your account storage quite differently from now on. With the latest update, now all data in your Android backups will count toward the storage limit on your Google account. Under the company's previous approach to backups, only media uploaded to Google Photos and photos or videos within MMS data were counted against that storage cap. This rule will apply right away to new Android users, while current users will see the change roll out in the coming months. A spokesperson for the company said, Android Backup lets you save the data on your phone to your Google account so you can easily restore it or set up a new device. The company said they're also updating their policy so that all Android backup data now counts towards Google account storage. He said, we expect this to only add 40 MB on average. We're also giving you more transparency and new controls that let you select which data and apps you want backup. Those controls will be accessible under the Hardware Backups menu. You can skip device settings, call history, or SMS and MMS messages from the backup process alongside the usual toggles for whether individual app data is included. This is the latest adjustment for Google's policies around storage. The last one before this was in May, when the company began testing a reduced default free storage limit for new accounts, cutting the max from 15 GB to 5 GB unless the user linked their phone number. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.